Cool. So how are we doing that?
So Dad's made these Biggleton buildings.
Yeah. So what did I use to make them?
Cardboard.
Cardboard, cereal boxes, and we got a print off of the front of Biggleton. We stuck them on, and it took forever. And there's, if you look up here, I'll put a little bit clip to show you how I did that. There you go. So what are you guys going to do now?
Colour them in.
Colour them in. And what we're going to use to colour them in? Chunky markers. We've got lots of chunky markers.
Yep.
And where did I get these? Do you know? Pound shop. So how much did I spend?
£1.
And how?
£2.
£2. £2. Right. There you go. Would you like some chunky markers? Would you like some chunky markers? Right. So what are you going to colour first? You get no chunky markers. Yeah. Colour anyone you like. You're going to colour that one. Ooh, that's the police station.
I don't know which one this is.
I think is that meant to be a church? Maybe with a cross on the top. I don't know.
This one?
I know that one's the town hall, and the sky. So you got the town hall and the skyscraper.
What's this one?
Yeah. Then you've got the posh house, and then you've got this one. That's the roof terrace one because this has got the ladders on. That's where they'll all go up and have a party on the top. And you've got. I think that's a shop and a church. Maybe do you think that's a church?
Don't know.
Because it's got a cross on the top.
Maybe.
Don't know, maybe. What have you got? Police station. Oh, that's the right colour, blue. She's got the police station, Maya. There you go.
Orange
And that's two tall houses. And I think that's a bank because that's got the cash machine. And that's a shop. And little house, and I think that's another shop. I think that's maybe the baker's or something, wasn't it? Or the post office or something. I don't know.
Is this one the orange?
Oh, you do any colour you like.
And if you guys know which one this is, comment down below.
Hello. What are you doing? Oh.
That's nice, Maya. Very nice. I think I'm just going to go around the outline first. Yeah, that's good. Still doing the orange. Not doing the purple. Chunky orange. I mean, I'm not doing the blue. Getting close to finishing off the door. It is looking fancy. Fancy? Ooh.
5 hours later.
So now these back.
5 hours later.
Do a little dot of soil.
What are you doing?
Soil.
The bushes.
I might do some soil.
It's stopped done. You're going to do some soil? No, you could do a little bit at the bottom maybe. Have you finished yours? Are you done? Let's see what Maya's done. That's the police station with a multicoloured roof. What a hat.
Another one as well.
Morning. Hello. How do you do? Good morning. Hello. To you. And you and you. Hello. Good morning. How do you do?
There. So what's that like then? What we're doing? Let's have a look. What have we put in here? Oh, there's a party on the roof.
Happyland characters.
Happyland characters. They seem to fit really well, don't they?
Yep.
It looks a lot like Biggleton. Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like the police guy.
That looks like the police guy. There's nobody at the bus stop.
A snowman.
There's a snowman.
Snowman
Just
in
a random
Biggleton.
snowman in Biggleton.
Yeah, there
There's
is
Grandpa
actually
being weird behind a tree.
there is actually a dog in Biggleton,
Is there?
isn't there? Yeah, a white and black dog.
Cool. That's
Look, the snowman has a bird on it.
It's a little robin. So we've got our police station, that was by Maya, then the bus stop, and then the bin, and various shops and houses, post box.
A party on the roof.
There's a party on the roof, town hall, shop, and cash point and stuff. But yeah, it's done pretty good, hasn't it? It's come out okay, do you think?
Party. Oh no.
Oh no, there's been a horrible accident. Oh no, we're definitely gonna need. Oh, Granddad! Oh no! It is Halloween after all. Granddad's been. Oh no! What's happening? Earthquake! Oh no! It's like Lilo and Stitch! Ah! Oh, no! God! And all the criminals are out! Yay! Bye!